English sentences. Are you ready? Let's start. I'm watering the plants. I'm watering the plants. I'm digging a hole for the tree. I'm digging a hole for the tree. I'm planting seeds in the soil. I'm planting seeds in the soil. I'm trimming the hedges. I'm trimming the hedges. I'm mowing the lawn. I'm mowing the lawn. I'm racking the leaves. I'm racking the leaves. I'm harvesting tomatoes. I'm harvesting tomatoes. I'm planting a tree. I'm planting a tree. I'm planting flowers. I'm planting flowers. I'm mixing the soil with the compost. I'm mixing the soil with the compost. I'm spraying pesticides. I'm spraying pesticides. I'm mulching around the tree. I'm mulching around the tree. I'm checking for pests. I'm checking for pests. I'm transplanting rice seedlings. I'm transplanting rice seedlings. I'm feeding the birds. I'm feeding the birds. I'm spraying the plant with the water. I'm spraying the plant with the water. I'm grafting the fruit trees. I'm grafting the fruit trees. I'm hoeing the soil. I'm hoeing the soil. I'm harvesting the herbs. I'm harvesting the herbs. I'm tilling the garden. I'm tilling the garden. I'm sweeping the garden path. I'm sweeping the garden path. I'm building garden bed. I'm building garden bed. I'm pruning the bushes. I'm pruning the bushes. I'm enjoying the beauty of garden. I'm enjoying the beauty of garden. Who watering the plant? Please comment me. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.